kung talagang ano kayo, yung believer kayo ng Pi Network, regardless kung ano ba yung price action niya at the moment, syempre concerned tayo sa price action, pero ano, yung realistic lang. Lalo na kasi guys, kaka-bull run lang. Malamang sa malamang, ang kasunod na cycle niyan pababa. Kaya, huwag tayong mag-expect na lilipad yan talaga. Cycle kasi yan. Okay, sa date and time ng recording natin today, May 2, Friday, 4:43 AM, 33.64 pesos ang value ng isang Pi coin, okay? So, yan yung 24 hours niya na price action, and ito yung ganito naman yung itsura ng kanyang yung complete historical records or yung maximum, ayan. So, mas talagang mababa nga naman talaga. Compare dito sa kasi nakita ko pa to nag 160 patong Pi coin dati eh. Ayun, 168.77 pa pala noong February 27, 2025. Ayan. So kung ako sa inyo, i-mark nyo na lang yung calendar nyo in the next 4 years itong February 27, 2025, okay? Ayan, welcome back for another Pi News Update. Credits and maraming salamat po for this article from CoinGate. So, makikita natin sa title guys, Pi Networks Binance listing delay, a bullish sign for Pi coin price. Okay. The delay in Pi Networks Binance listing might be a strategic move for long-term growth, potentially leading to a bullish sign for Pi coins price in the future. Ayan. So ako guys, whether not ma-list yung Pi coin sa Binance, hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. So kaya ko sinishare itong article na to kasi ganito halos rin yung mindset ko regarding our Pi network, okay? So check nyo guys yung highlights dito sa article, okay? Pi network may benefit due to the delay in Binance listing. Number 1 yan. Number 2, the delay helps Pi network to focus on real-world utility over price speculation, okay? Kasi nga naman guys, ano ba nangyayari kapag yung isang magandang cryptocurrency project nalilis sa Binance, lilipad, mag-skyrocket ng pagkabilis-bilis. Tapos all of a sudden, if i-dump lang naman yan, marami nang naka-short. So, ginagawa lang nilang palabigasan yung mga cryptocurrency, yung mga bagong listed na cryptocurrencies, especially kapag ka nalis sa Binance, okay? Kasi major crypto exchange yung Binance, okay? So, kung hindi na-list yung Pi Network sa Binance, at as of the moment, for me, wala namang kaso sa akin yun. Na-list naman siya sa ibang mga reputable na centralized exchange, okay? For me, ang personally ginagamit ko, MEXC, MEXC Global and Gate.io, okay? So, okay na tayo dyan. Pwede nyo panoorin yung mga previous videos natin. For more reference kung paano ba makompleto yung KYC sa Pi Network, yung mga use case, yung mga apps na pwedeng gamitin sa Pi Network, and yung pinakamaganda yung recent video ko guys, pinaliwanag ko kung paanong naging related yung Stellar Lumens XLM consensus protocol, kung paano na-structure yung roles and teams ng Pi, including yung mining app nila, okay? So, marami kayong matututunan dito sa previous video natin. So, going back, Pi coin price has continued to fall due to the absence of any positive catalyst despite the broader crypto market resting in green. Okay? So, parang wala daw ganap sa Pi network. Normal lang naman yun eh. Kung wala naman talagang ganap, as long as consistent naman yung project, walang kaso dun. So, on track pa naman ng Pi network for me sa opinion ko. Kaya hindi ako nagwo-worry kung ano man yung mangyari sa kanya, okay? Tapos yung ibang community kasi or ibang tao sinisisi yung delay sa paglilist ng Pi network or yung Pi coin sa Binance. Tingnan niyo tong statement na to guys, Binance listing as one of the prime reasons behind the continuing downturn momentum in the asset, okay? However, some argue that this delay could actually be a strategic win for Pi's long-term growth, okay? Pi network's Binance listing delay a positive sign, okay? While most crypto tokens rush to secure exchange listings, Pi Network seems to be playing a longer game, which is ako, mas gusto ko to, yung long play. Pwede naman tayong mag-trade, pero ako spot trading lang talaga. Hindi ako masyado sa futures. Pero kanya-kanyang diskarte yan guys. Pero ako, okay na ako dito sa spot trading, and magkikip rin talaga ako ng some portion of Pi Okay? Hindi ko lahat ibebenta talaga kasi naniniwala ako and nag-research ako na may patutunguhan siya. Okay? Basta sundin niya lang yung roadmap niya and maging consistent lang si Pi Network, naniniwala ako sa project na to. Okay? Especially nung na-realize ko na ang isa pala sa kanyang foundation or yung naging inspiration ng Pi Network is yung XLM consensus protocol, okay? Or yung proof of agreement na mechanism, okay? Generally, pagka binasa natin dito, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan kong part ng article or ng paragraph or yung post from X, okay? In addition, the delay gives the team tighter control over tokenomics without a major exchange listing, okay? So ito guys, i-highlight ko lang tong part ng article na to na galing sa post by PyFocus from his X account. Credits and maraming salamat po. According to the post, many newly listed tokens experience price dumps and volatility shortly after listing. Okay, this pattern often harms long-term holders and attracts short-term traders. Okay, by delaying its Binance debut, PyCoin is keeping the focus on real-world utility rather than price speculation. Okay, the ecosystem is currently centered around the merchant adoption and use cases instead of just attracting traders looking to flip the token. O, di ba? So, okay na lang rin na ganito muna si Pi. Kung mas bababa pa nga siya, mas okay, di ba? Kasi maliban sa nagmamine ako, may option rin ako para bumili from the exchange, okay? So, and then, alam na natin kung paano yun i-manage from there, okay? In addition, the delay gives the team tighter control over tokenomics. Without a major exchange listing, Pi can manage its circulating supply more efficiently. Ayan. This prevents early whales from accumulating large volumes and manipulating the market later. Okay. Ayan, ang ganda nito. The post also mentioned that Pi Network is working to build a closed ecosystem where users can actually spend the token. Guys, ito, pagka tinignan nyo yung Fireside forum, ang dami niyang magagandang features. Gagawa ko ng separate video about doon. Hindi lang siya basta-basta pwede kang mag-post or manood ng ad. Kapag binasa mo yung mga FAQs niya, marami kayong parang mga tipong read between the lines ng mga statement. Mag-upload tayo ng video about dyan. So, this foundation could lead to stronger price action once Pi list on major platforms. Okay. So, bago pa man ma-list yung Pi Network sa mga major exchanges, mas okay na habang hindi pa nangyayari yun, continue to build lang. Para pag ililist ka na, talagang meron ka ng utility, meron kang demand. Hindi ka basta-basta ipapump and dump lang ng mga traders, okay? Now, disclaimer statement for our crypto bayanihan Web3 wallets. Always remember that all the information on our website is published in good faith and for information purpose only.